Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a keyboard from Redragon. This is the Redragon Eclipse Pro. I think it's a 72% layout keyboard that has an LCD display and a volume knob. The whole construction is CNC aluminum and it's got 5-layer gasket design, so it's got sound dampening material foam to give you a great typing experience. Probably one of my favorite features will be the LCD display right here that can play a GIF or can display the time or some other function and image, whatever you want. It's really handy to have one. And yeah, it's on black as you can see. Let's have a look on the back of the box right here. So Eclipse Pro 3 modes connection, full aluminum alloy keyboard. So basically the 3 modes connection means you can use it Bluetooth, you can use it wired, and you can use it wireless with a 2.4 GHz receiver. Here we have all of the specs that I said. So wired and wireless, gasket mounted, you can see the layers. Equipped Lion L switch, brand new linear typing feeling and addictive sound. Okay, we should see that. And multimedia knob support, volume, backlight, brightness adjustment. Okay, so you can adjust the backlight, I think, from the knob, otherwise they would have put it there. We shall see. And pretty much that's it. By the way, this keyboard is hot swappable, so you can always swap it. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'll show you guys what you get inside. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a switch and a keycap puller. It's Redragon branded. As you can see, pretty basic. All of them look the same. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which can be used to have the keyboard in wire mode or to charge the keyboard itself. We have a user manual right here. I suggest you give this a read to understand how to change the RGB, how to change the images on the LCD display right there, and how to understand the functions of your keyboard better to make sure you use it at its full potential. They also included some spare switches. There's probably like 3 switches right here or 5, which is nice to see. We have some stickers and we have the keyboard itself. So I like the layout actually, and I like the color combination, this being anthracite black and the anthracite keys. It just looks great with the pink contrast as well. It's a pastel pink. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if the lighting does it any favors, but yeah, we have the LCD right here. Let's see if we can turn it on. Have the LCD right here. We have the volume knob. Also has this animation. When you adjust the volume, it says volume minus and volume plus. If you guys can see, I don't know if you'll focus on something that tiny, but you can see with your naked eyes. And yeah, basically this is how it looks. It's got a nice weight to it. We got some rubber feet on the back, so when you place it, it doesn't go anywhere. It's really solid. It feels really good. The quality is absolutely great. For a keyboard that has these features and this price, it's a really good choice in my opinion. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. Now let's just go ahead and set it up. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks next to your setup, next to your mouse with a mouse pad, so you guys can get an understanding on how it will look next to your setup. And after that, maybe we do a sound test so you guys can hear it, if it's talky or not. Most of the people like that, so we can do that as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now the keyboard it's all set up. I turn off some lighting so you guys can see the RGB effects better. To connect it, it's really simple. You find the USB 2.4 GHz receiver right here. It has a magnetic slot. Also on the back you'll find a USB Type-C port to charge it or use it in the wired mode. And to connect it, basically you take that USB 2.4 receiver and plug it into any USB port on your PC, any free one you have, and it will work straight away. The keyboard, it's really responsive. The volume knob works, as you can see right here. You just turn it and you adjust the volume, and also you have some functions on the volume knob. So if you press on it, you have home and effect. Let's go to effect. Then you will have effect 9, effect 10. Let's just switch the effects. So yeah, you can control the RGB using the knob, which is really impressive. I never seen this before. It's quite nice feature. Also you have more features here. You can adjust the color, you can adjust the brightness. So if you click on the brightness, you have this, but you can turn it to 0 or 100% or 50%. It's entirely up to you. Some people don't like RGB, but yeah, pretty much that's it with the features. I'm gonna go close with the camera to the keyboard and we're gonna type some stuff so you guys can hear how the keyboard sounds like. So let's go ahead and do that. It's got a really nice sound to it, and it's got a really nice feel as well. I think these are their own switches, which I'm really impressed by. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the keyboard. If you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check that out. Sometimes you get some discounts on their website. Some of them are really good. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.